Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Akshay and today I'm going to show you around my city, the city of pearls, diamonds and the city of world's best biryani, Hyderabad. Hyderabad, the capital city of South Indian state of Telangana, will leave you mesmerized by its culture, cuisine and by its beauty. लोग इम्पॉर्टेंट काम करने से पहले जाते हैं मंदिर या मस्जिद या चर्च फॉर ब्लेसिंग्स, बट फॉर मी देयर इज़ वन थिंग विच गिव्स मी लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड फिल्स मी विद पॉजिटिविटी एंड दैट इज़ द साइट ऑफ आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. हैव अ लुक. The flag you have just seen is the second tallest Indian flag, standing tall at 291 feet, and it's located here in Hyderabad as Sanjeevaya Park. If you come to Hyderabad, do not forget to visit this place. Guys, next मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ something really special. So stay with me. तब तक like कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. What are you waiting for?
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
So guys, we are at Hussain Sagar Lake right now, and the special thing that I was talking about is right behind me, right here. So let's go and check it out. So guys, this is the Pakistani tank, and this tank is from the Battle of Barapind. Barapind is a place in Punjab. In this battle, even though Indian troops were outnumbered, they were able to defeat Pakistani troops, and this tank was taken as a war trophy and given to Hyderabad. And this makes me proud, especially as a Hyderabadi, because that battalion was raised from Hyderabad. Guys, we are at the historic fort of Golconda here in Hyderabad, and you must be wondering ये Golconda क्या है? Gol means round and Kunda means hill. So Golconda means round shaped hill in Telugu language. This fort was the seat of power of Qutub Shahi Sultans and later the Nizams. Hey guys, it started suddenly raining here in Hyderabad, and I have a question for you guys. Can you guys tell me the name of the world famous diamond which was produced from Golconda mine? Comment करिए, देखते हैं इसके बारे में कितने लोग जानते हैं. Guys, I just got to know something very disturbing. कहीं शायद ये नहीं जानते कि औरंगज़ेब ने हैदराबाद पे 1687 में हमला किया था और तानाशाह द कुतुब शाही रूलर refused to surrender but was eventually defeated when one of his treacherous officer opened the gates for the Mughal army, letting them inside the fort. Tanashah was captured and imprisoned, and what followed was the ladies of the royal palace committed suicide by jumping into the wells, just for the sake of protecting their honor. Some people say women are weak. She may not have the physical strength to fight with you, but she will not let you violate her honor, even if it means sacrificing her life. Shout out to all the women around the world who refuse to give up and fight for what they deserve. Hey, good morning everyone. This is day 2. As it was raining yesterday, I couldn't complete my vlog. Initially, the plan was to go to Charminar. However, there's a change of plans. Right now, I'm gonna take a walk on Necklace Road and show you around. The Buddha statue of Hyderabad is the world's tallest monolithic statue of Gautama Buddha, standing at 58 feet with a weight of around 350 tons. This is Prasad's multiplex and is one of the coolest places to hang out in Hyderabad. You can come down with your family and friends to watch a movie and have some food and spend some quality time. Hyderabad simply stands out when it comes to food, whether it's the delicious kebabs or the mouth-watering world-famous Hyderabadi biryani. And Shadab Hotel near Charminar offers the tastiest of Hyderabadi biryanis. हैदराबाद आके बिरयानी नहीं खाया तो क्या खाया? Charminar was constructed in 1591 during the reign of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, who also happens to be the founder of Hyderabad. And nothing can get more Hyderabadi than having Irani chai at Charminar. अरे बस 2, 3 फ्रेंड्स ईरानी चाय पी लो, ईरानी चाय पी लो।